Advanced electrical systems. Modern vehicles rely heavily on electrical systems to operate efficiently and safely. From onboard diagnostics to voltage regulators and charging systems, understanding how to diagnose and repair electrical faults is essential for any automotive technician. This lesson provides a comprehensive overview of advanced electrical systems, including the function and operation of OBD2 systems, voltage regulators, and charging systems, along with fault isolation and repair procedures. Mastering these topics is vital for the ASE certification test and performing effective electrical system repairs in a professional setting. OBD2 systems. The onboard diagnostic system is a critical component in modern vehicles, providing real-time data and enabling technicians to quickly diagnose issues with the vehicle's electrical and mechanical systems. Overview of OBD2. OBD2 is a standardized system that monitors and reports on various vehicle subsystems, including the engine, transmission, exhaust, and more. It provides a way for technicians to access detailed information about the vehicle's performance and troubleshoot problems using an OBD2 scanner. Components of the OBD2 system: vehicle control module, the central computer that controls various vehicle systems and stores diagnostic trouble codes; sensors. Sensors placed throughout the vehicle monitor engine performance, emissions, and other parameters. Data link connector, the port where an OBD2 scanner is plugged in to access vehicle data and read trouble codes. Reading and interpreting trouble codes. When a fault is detected, the OBD2 system generates a diagnostic trouble code, which helps technicians pinpoint the problem. These codes are categorized by the first digit, which denotes the type of system the code refers to. P codes, powertrain issues. B codes, body-related issues. C codes, chassis-related issues. U codes, network and communication issues. How to use an OBD2 scanner. Connect the OBD2 scanner to the DLC under the dashboard. Follow the scanner's instructions to read and clear trouble codes. Use the code data to identify the system or component at fault. Common OBD2 troubleshooting codes: P0300, random misfire detected; P0420, catalyst system efficiency below threshold; P0171, fuel trim system lean; P0600, serial communication link malfunction. These codes can point to specific issues that can be diagnosed further using manufacturer service manuals and diagnostic procedures. Voltage regulators and charging systems. The voltage regulator and charging system are responsible for maintaining the proper voltage and charging the vehicle's battery while the engine is running. Function of the charging system. The charging system's primary job is to provide electrical power to the vehicle's systems and to recharge the battery when it is drained by vehicle operations. Alternator. The alternator generates AC and sends it to the voltage regulator, which converts the AC to DC and regulates the amount of voltage sent to the battery. Battery. The battery stores electrical energy to power the vehicle when the engine is off, supplying power to start the engine and run electrical systems like lights and the radio. Voltage regulator function. The voltage regulator ensures the alternator provides the correct voltage. If the voltage is too high, it can damage the battery and other electrical components. If the voltage is too low, the battery won't charge properly, and electrical components won't function as expected. Types of voltage regulators. Internal regulator. Most modern vehicles have an internal voltage regulator built into the alternator. External regulator. Older vehicles use an external regulator mounted separately from the alternator. Diagnosing charging system problems. Check the battery voltage. Use a multimeter to check the battery voltage. A healthy system should provide between 13.8 and 14.2 volts when the engine is running. Test the alternator output. Use an alternator tester or a multimeter to test the alternator's output. The voltage should remain steady as the engine revs. Check the voltage regulator. If the alternator output is too high or too low, the voltage regulator may need to be replaced. Electrical system fault isolation and repair. Electrical issues in vehicles can be complex, requiring advanced diagnostic skills to isolate and fix. Effective fault isolation involves using proper diagnostic equipment and techniques to find the root cause of the issue. Common electrical system issues. Blown fuses. Symptoms: electrical components or systems stop working. Diagnosis: inspect fuses and replace any that are blown. Use a fuse tester to check for continuity. Short circuits. Symptoms: the vehicle experiences sudden loss of power, or there is a burning smell from wiring. Diagnosis: visually inspect wiring for damage or exposed wires. Use a multimeter to check for continuity in the circuit. Faulty grounding. Symptoms: electrical components malfunction or fail to work. Diagnosis: inspect grounding points and wiring connections. Clean or repair any loose or corroded grounds. Damaged wiring. Symptoms: intermittent power loss or malfunctioning electrical components. Diagnosis: use a wire tracer or multimeter to check for continuity and locate damaged wires. Diagnostic procedures: use a multimeter. Measure voltage, current, and resistance in various electrical components. This can help identify issues such as a weak battery, damaged alternator, or faulty sensor. Use an OBD2 scanner. If the issue is related to sensors or control systems, use an OBD2 scanner to read trouble codes and sensor data. Perform continuity tests. For wiring and electrical components, continuity tests can help identify breaks in the circuit. Check for voltage drops. A voltage drop test can help diagnose high-resistance connections in the electrical system, which can lead to poor performance or component failure. Summary of advanced electrical systems components. Here's a table showing the advanced electrical systems components, including their function and common issues. You can pause the video if you want more time to review the table. Conclusion and recap. In this lesson, we covered advanced electrical systems in vehicles, including OBD2 systems, alternators, voltage regulators, and charging systems. We also discussed common electrical issues, diagnostic procedures, and repair techniques. Mastering these topics is critical for effectively diagnosing and repairing electrical issues and essential for the ASE certification test A6.